This is my parrotfish aquarium, and today is their second week. As you can see, we have a platinum parrotfish. There are 6 of them. That's my blood parrot. That's Molly. And that is SpongeBob, the orange one. This is Max. That's Ruby. And there is my other parrotfish. This is my blood parrot. He likes to butter SpongeBob. This is my rare polar blue convict parrot. That's my platinum parrot. Now this is their second week of my aquarium. I hope you like all of my parrotfish. That's Ruby there. That's Max hiding. That's Molly. And that's SpongeBob. That's what my son named him.